That was a very bad game.
I saw that. Why didn't you play in the last over at all?
What's the use, Grandpa? We needed so many runs.
Only 19 runs. You could have tried,
It was impossible, Grandpa.
but you gave up. That's wrong. You remind me of those ants.
Which ants, Grandpa?
Would you like to hear a story about the ants?
Yay! Story time!
Long ago, a colony of ants lived in an anthill. It was a huge colony of ants, and hundreds of ants lived together in happiness. They helped each other in their work, and hence their colony grew and grew. Then one day, it rained very heavily. The rainwater entered the tunnels of the anthill.
Oh no! What will we do now? The water is entering all our houses. My babies! My babies! Run away! Escape while you still can. Are you not coming with us, Johnny?
There is no way out of here. Look, there is water on the ground too.
But what can we do? We can at least try to escape.
But I'm afraid we will not be safe.
Do what you like then. I am leaving with the others.
My poor friends. If only my friends had not given up, they would be with me today. So you see, giving up can never help anybody. You must keep trying.
Now I understand, Grandpa. In tomorrow's match, I am going to win. You just watch.